you subscribe to swear to the contents of this affidavit. Kayo po sila ay magre-raise ng related formality po. Kayo po ay swear to the truth for this affidavit. What's meron ka rin ba?
Ito din.
Can I ask you one more, sign one more, two more copies?
They just xerox yung kanya kasi mapapagod siya kung marami.
And one more, sir.
Wala ng bata.
Ay,
O ikaw marami. Yung happy original.
that's it.
Okay.
Sasabit nito sa Supreme Court.
You have to submit also to the Supreme Court.
Oh, yeah? Para sigurado.
Monday namin sasabit sa Supreme Court. Dito ngayon, after this is done.